Use a 15mm open-ended wrench to unscrew the left pedal in the direction of the rear wheel. Use an 8mm hex key to unscrew the left crank screw in the direction of the frontal wheel. Screw in the crank puller. Turn it in the direction of the rear wheel and remove the crank. Install the left crank parallel to the other crank but in the opposite direction. Apply thread a locking adhesive to the crank screw. Tighten the crank screw. Screw the pedal marked L into the left crank in the direction of the front wheel. Use a wrench to tighten it.